Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ariel Nicole. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. So right now it is, sorry, my watch isn't working. 1 second. Okay, it's about to be 9 o'clock. So I am gonna make my breakfast. My coffee just brewed, and I'm gonna have some oats for breakfast. So I'm gonna show you how I make them. So I usually have water, which I had already, and now I'm gonna have my coffee, gonna have my oats, and I'm gonna show you what vitamins I also take. So these are the vitamins that I've been taking. These are the Ollie Women's Multivitamins. So it has vitamins A, C, D, E, B, biotin, and folic acid. So I take 2 of these every day. And then I also take this. This is also by Ollie. This is Goodbye Stress. So it has like it helps you be calm and stay alert. So when I feel like I have a hectic day and I feel like I just can't do it all, I'll take this. And yeah, so I'll take 2 of these, and I always take these. And this is just like for certain days. So today's gonna be a really busy day, so I'm gonna have both of these today. I'm just gonna move on over here just to show you guys what I'm gonna have for breakfast. So I'm making oats. So these are the quick 1-minute oats. I'm putting some creamy peanut butter, and then I'm adding some pumpkin pie spice with a banana. So I'm gonna do this really quick, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here we have my breakfast. Doesn't look that great, but it tastes amazing. And then I just have my black coffee. Did you see that? There we go. I drink my coffee black because, I don't know, I don't like milk in my coffee. I feel like for specialty drinks, okay, but for the most part, no, just black is fine, no sugar either. And it does what it's supposed to do, keeps me awake. So yeah, I'm gonna have my little breakfast right now and get to work, and I'll see you all later probably. Because this is a big breakfast, I'm probably gonna just see you all when I have lunch. If not, if I have a little snack or something, I'll let you guys know. All right guys, I'll see you all later. Hi guys, so it's lunchtime and I'm kind of hungry. It's 12:40, so I'm just gonna make my lunch really quick, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So I bought this soup from Trader Joe's. It's tomato feta soup. So it looks like this. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. I'm just gonna eat like a little bit. But I thought tomato soup, I need like have something to like dunk in. So I'm gonna make a grilled cheese. So I have Trader Joe's whole wheat bread, and then I'm gonna use some sliced Munster cheese with a little bit of, I can't believe it's not butter. So those are my ingredients for my grilled cheese. I'm gonna go ahead, get the soup heated up, and then start to make my grilled cheese. So let's get to it. that was super quick to make. So I have my grilled cheese. It looks so cheesy. Oh my God, you see that? So yummy. And my soup that's so hot. Do you see the steam? Oh, can't wait to eat this. Smells so good. I added a little bit of a fresh black cracked pepper at the top, and I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this, and I'll see you all in my next meal. Hi guys, so it is much later and Steve and I are getting dinner. So for dinner, Steve was in the mood to get Chick-fil-A, and of course I had to say yes. So I'm eating some grilled nuggets here with a couple fries. It's dark in the car. We're in the car because we can't eat inside. So we're just grabbing that, and that is what I'm eating for dinner. So I'm just going to show you a quick overview of everything. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.